All right, this is the planning briefing for Sunday, July 19th. So here's a look at the weather threat matrix for the week. There's going to be a chance for a few showers, maybe a thunderstorm over the Continental Divide, Glacier National Park. On Tuesday, much drier and warmer air will move into the region. Humidities will be dipping down into the 20s and maybe as low as the mid-teens, southwest Montana, with some southwest breezes, maybe up to 10 to 20 miles an hour. And also, thermal belts will be pronounced from this point forward. Wednesday, similar dryness, but there could be some monsoon moisture that moves up here. Maybe not enough to be wet thunderstorms, but they might be more dry thunderstorms. And with threats of lightning and also gusty winds, 40 plus miles an hour. I would be surprised if maybe one or two of these storms produces 50 plus mile an hour winds. The best confidence is the Beaverhead Deer Lodge National Forest, and it will also be breezy as well. Thursday, there's a little bit more instability, a little bit more moisture to tap into, so the storms will be a little stronger and they'll be wetter. Best confidence for the storms and the wetter storms will be from the Clearwater Nez Perce National Forest to the Bitterroot National Forest to the Deer Lodge Western Beaverhead National Forest. So fire weather zones 103, 109, 110 to 111. And there's a chance for a mix or even just dry storms further north and west. Friday might actually be similar to Wednesday, as slightly drier air lowers the upper level moisture content and lessens the instability. Breezy and isolated dry storms are possible, in that southwest Montana corridor. Much drier over northwest Montana and breezy. There are some indications that the humidities could get as low as the teens over northwest Montana. All right, so here's a look at minimum humidity levels Tuesday and Wednesday. So here's a look at the middle water vapor loop from GOES 17 or GOES West. And some of the features that kind of stand out to me, there's some moisture moving into the area this Sunday afternoon from British Columbia, moving around the ridge, upper level ridge. And some of that moisture will turn into showers and maybe a few thunderstorms in the Glacier National Park this evening, tonight. Another feature that I see is moisture lingering over the Four Corners, monsoon moisture, and there's some convection developing as things begin to heat up. We're going to be watching this area of moisture begin to drift northwestward towards Nevada and Idaho by midweek. This is just a visualization of winds for this evening, tonight, and on Monday. We're going to have what we call a backdoor cold front. There's kind of like this modified polar air mass that's going to be sagging southward out of Alberta. And I'm going to put this in a loop here. You can see the stronger winds associated with the edge of the front Sunday evening, and then make its way kind of over the divide, northeast winds developing Flathead Valley Sunday night, and also along the divide. The winds will kind of weaken throughout the day from the heating of the sun, and then by Monday evening, there's going to be a little bit of a easterly surge in some of the gaps along the Continental Divide. Maybe even the mountains, there could be 10 to 20 mile an hour easterly winds, kind of, in the higher elevations. Minimum humidity levels Tuesday and Wednesday, it's going to be hot and dry. Here's 90s to low 100s down in there in the Riggins area. So the forecast for Riggins, very hot, upper 90s to lower 100s Monday and Tuesday, lows in the 60s. Wednesday through Friday, chance for thunderstorms, highs in the mid to upper 90s. Looking at the 6 to 10 day outlook, above normal chance for precipitation, southwestern Montana, central Idaho, and basically that kind of neutral or equal chances of being above or below normal in this July 24th to the 28th period. And if you have any questions, want to talk to us, give us a call, 329-4840.